Okay, hello everyone. Now today I would like to teach you one thing. Why we need to use the alpha lock and clipping mask. As you see in the layer, when you click on the layer, you will see the left side is the alpha locks and anti-mask. Okay, so you gonna wonder why we need to use the two and what is the difference between the two. Okay, as you see, when you draw a picture and then you will try to want to draw on it, but it will over your drawings on the other side, so it looks ugly for that area, as you see. Okay, let's do first. But when you undo, you can use the two fingers. The one thing is, the first one is alpha locks. I'm gonna show you now. First thing, you click on the layer and then choose alpha lock for your left side, and then you try to select the brush that what you want in order to paint the dark or light color to make your picture is tones. So as you see it cannot out of your line and out of your drawings. You can draw anything anywhere and not care about the out of your lines. That is alpha locks. But unfortunately, as you see, when you draw wrongs and then you want to delete it, so the first thing, you need to draw wrong and you want to delete it. So what you gonna do when you delete it? It's gonna delete your drawing also. When you delete it, you're gonna delete on your drawing also. You see? Okay, then you undo it. Another option is clipping mask. But before you choose the clipping mask, you need to create one more layer and then you choose clipping mask. And then let's see what will happen. Number one, you can draw anything you want. You don't care about the out of your drawing. Now you see, right? So what is different between clipping mask and alpha locks? I'm gonna show you. If you want to delete it, you see one layer and then you delete. You can delete your previous drawing and your background drawing is still okay. That is the reason what is different between alpha locks and clipping mask. So you will understand when you need to use alpha locks and clipping mask. Thank you. So if you have any question, please comment below. I will try to answer you, and if I cannot find it, I will try to research more for you. Thank you. See you tomorrow.